to start up.
Hello, my name is Thomas Duitbrücker and I like to learn and I like to share what I've learned. And today I want to share with you an observation about the local network address related to the watsonx Orchestrate Development Edition, which makes life very, very easy. That means if you're going to set up your new watsonx Orchestrate with a watsonx Orchestrate 0.x edition, and you want directly connect to your MCP server, which is running locally, and you can access easily your local network. That means without any additional restriction, you can just get your IP address and then the port. It does not work with localhost and all that stuff. That is what I've showed, but with that it really works well and it is really great, and that is the reason why I would like to share that with you. You can see here the video where where I show that it doesn't work when you use it with the local host or the local host IP addresses. But if you use it with the, you can see here, where is it in the documentation? When you use it with the ipconfig, get the address of the of your network here, then it works, and it works fine. So I updated the documentation. I have here also some automation. So to make that example, you already know when you watch my videos about the Galaxium travels, which set it up for working with the Galaxium travels. So we will do that very shortly with the related GitHub repo you can see here. And let's start. I hope that will not take too long. Yeah, so there's not a lot of preparation with that. First of all, for sure, we start with the local containers, yeah, here. And I say here, start the local containers with the bash start build and build containers. So that will be all done now. So you can see at the end here in that configuration, only that will be running. So it is now, it was very fast and it is now running. We can also see that the inspector now should be able to connect. So let us try to connect, and we can now list the tools. Yeah, the tools also, that means here we can directly access the MCP server for the booking service. So, and now the entire setup is automated, so we cannot go to every step of that. You can watch that by yourself. That means inspect it by yourself, because at the end it is all as it documented, and I have also set up here and also with the different variances. The main difference is really the networking stuff. You need to understand which kind of network you are, and then it works fine and it can access. So, and that is what we're now going to automate and set up. So let's see. So let's start with the automation. So I will restart the watsonx development edition, and so just to have everything clear. Yeah, and as you can see, yeah, in here also we have the VM, and inside the VM we have also the Docker Compose, or the container engine. That is what is shown, what is when it's running up. The VM is not running there and starting up Docker Compose. And that is everything what is is happening here inside. Yeah, so it starts just directly walks through. Yeah, and yeah, and with that, when everything is done, I also grab inside the automation. That is the only, yeah, that's the only secret. The only secret is that, so I directly grab the IP address, put it in a variable, and set that for the URL, and then it directly works also with the automated setup. Yeah, that's really all. With all of that, let's see. And when everything is done, so now you can see everything is fresh. It sets the environment. At the moment, and it just was successfully imported, and that's all. That's really all. So, and you can see, I go now to the server. Yeah, for sure. Now it is. Yeah. I should have restarted it also, but now you can see it is really now. The tool is here. Yeah, it is available, and I can go here to the basic. I did a reset, and there is no tool associated at the moment to that. So add the tool, local instance here. I add it. So, and that's the normal usual phrase for that thing, demo. Let's oh, but you can see it works. Yeah. Yeah, nice stuff. And I hope that was useful for you. And I say thanks for watching. And yeah, use your local MCP server. That is what I would suggest. Bye.